Hello students, in this video we are going to find the square root of 576 using prime factorization method. In this method we divide numbers using prime numbers and find their prime factors, and after finding the prime factors we can find the square root of the number. So let's start by dividing 576 and finding its factors. So as 576 is an even number, it is easily divisible by 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder. This becomes 17. 2 times 8 is 16. 1 is remainder. This becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. Again we can divide by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Now 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 1 is remainder. This becomes 12. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 1, 2. 1 is remainder. This becomes 16. 2 times 8 is 16. Again we can divide by 2. 2 times 9 is 18. But 9 is an odd number. It is divisible by next prime number 3. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 1 is 3. Now the number is fully divided. Now we are going to write the number as the product of its prime factors. So 576 will be equal to 2 times 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 3 times 3. Now for finding the square root, we are going to take the square root on both the sides. So that's square root of 576 equals square root of all these numbers. Now as we are finding the square root, we are going to write the numbers under the square root as squares so that it is easy to find the square root. So square root of 576 will be, there are 4 pairs. This 2 and 2 is a pair, this 2 and 2 is a pair, this 2 and 2 is a pair, and another pair is 3 times 3. So these pairs we can write in exponent form as 2 square times 3, 2 square times 2 square times 3 square. Now as these are square numbers and a square root of a square number is the number itself, so all these numbers will come out of the square root sign. So square root of 576 will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So the square root of 576 is 24. And 24 is our final answer. So this is how we can find the square root of any number using prime factorization. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.